round of applause. Hello, welcome to Good Evening to Season 5, Episode 6 of An Assembly. 'Cause we're blasting the jokes. How do trees get on the internet? They roll Oh, Johnny, go, go, go. Everyone clear your throat. Yes! What does a house address?
What?
Address.
What does a house wear?
What does a house wear? Attention, we are gonna do a good
Done this one.
We've done this. We need to go the other way. No, we've done that one on all.
Need to go the other way.
The other way, Lenny.
Sorry there. Here we are.
Which country has the kangaroo as its national animal?
Australia! Sorry.
Go do a new one.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, right. Can only be them two for the next 6 months.
Right. This is the everyone
Maybe a
version.
phone will fall down.
Everyone version of How Are You? We're going to start with Daniel. Daniel, how are you?
I'm good, Lenny. How are you?
Good. Riley, how are you?
Good.
I'm
Tired.
Nick, how are you?
I'm good.
Jack, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Mum, how are you?
good, thanks.
Dave, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Sophie, how are you?
I'm amazing, thank you.
Taya, how are you?
I'm good.
Lucy, how are you?
Very well.
Shane, how are you?
Very good.
Granny Steve, how are you?
Really well.
Nan Jackie, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Dad, how are you?
On my pay, Lenny.
And Auntie Julie, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
And Michelle, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Pam, how are you?
Yeah, good, thank you, Lenny.
Everyone else? Everyone else?
Yeah, good.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
What's he for?
Anyway, guys.
Are you doing all the drinks?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Guys, one still standing there. We have a certificate. I got a certificate for Mum. A certificate for Mum.
Yeah.
For going out and doing days out.
Yay!
Thank you.
You are welcome. And certificate for Tyler for a certificate for Tyler for being behaved. And we have a certificate for Dad for doing all the good stuff.
Thank you, Lenny.
You are very welcome. Guys, that's it. We'll be back good. We'll be back good.